everyone, it's Kathleen again here with Coupon Card Club, just with a quick video right before I do some laundry on my haul that I did at CVS today. So I did do the game Tide deal. Unfortunately, when I got to the store, all the Tide was actually sold out. So I did do it on the game and the Downy. For my people who are new, make sure that you sign up for the CVS Extra Care Card. It helps you, gives you discounts, in-app coupons, and different things to save on your next purchase. Okay, so let's just check out the receipt real quick. I picked up the Tide Pods. They were originally $6.99. They were on sale for $4.94, and it came down to $2.99 because of the coupons that I did use. So the Downy, the 51 ounce, was on sale for $5.95. They did take $1 off, only because the coupon that I had, the principal one from Everyday P&G, was not working, and it was the right size amount. The lady at the register was like, maybe because this is a new style, but the cool cotton is not working on the coupon from the website, but CVS did push it through, which I was really excited about because it was only $1 off. But next is the Game laundry detergent. So the 50 ounce one was on sale for $5.94. They had the discount of the $3.55. But with all the rest of the coupons done, it dropped down to $2.39. I did have a CVS ECB that dropped off for $7, and it did lower my out-of-pocket to $12. So it was really, really cool. I was so excited. I will definitely show you guys the other stuff that I got off of my receipt, but also check out that these $60, the $8 off the $60 purchase for your next transaction. Those are printing out as well, so definitely keep a lookout for that. All right, beautiful people, thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who want to join the group, I'll have the link below. And if you just want to send me a quick email at couponcardclub@gmail.com. Okay, see you soon. Bye.